What's up, you guys? It is your boy Marvion Benjamin. I am back with another freaking video. I hate rain. Okay? I hate it. What is this?
Rain.
Like really? Yes.
Let me see.
So I was just out. Normally they just walking and walking. I'm about to go get that right there. I'm about to record that.
Because when I was living in Beverly Hills, when I got my phone number.
So you can't decline? Look, it's moving it. Not no more. Yeah.